want to know how to make congri, which is rice and beans, Cuban style, I'm going to show you right now. But this is the end product. Get the Cuban style rice and beans, congri, the tostones, the Costco chicken rotisserie, and the aguacatazo, avocado that is. All right, people, get ready to enjoy. For all you people that love Cuban congri, which is black rice and beans, I got grandma here who's gonna show you how to do this. It's already inside the pot, but what we're gonna take is a half of an onion. We cut it up. We take a whole green pepper. We cut it up into long pieces. We take a tablespoon of garlic that she already peeled and saves it in a jar with a little olive oil. 1 can of black beans. I tore off the label because this isn't an endorsement. And 8 ounces of rice. 8 ounces of rice, right? And 8 ounces of water. And a half tablespoon of salt. And she's getting ready to put some olive oil in there. And we have a crock pot. She's gonna stir it up with everything in there, the rice, the beans, the green peppers, the onions, the garlic, and going to set it. First we're gonna plug it in. Grandma keeps everything unplugged in the house. Let's see what she sets it for.
Okay.
White rice.
That's it.
And that's it. And it'll be ready in ¿cuántos minutos?
No, cuando ya este aquí que diga off, ya.
Well, when it turns off, it's done.
Como unos 20 minutos más o menos.
Like 20 minutes, give or take. And I'm telling you, this is the recipe. You're gonna love it. So there you have it. Cuban rice and beans. All right, guys, girls, enjoy.